Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma haga arterik unlai lar arjar khat khandai ula Pynbna Paidbah ya kalempung hikai yelakai football jongki hebbarit ya kabala tip kumkam Meghalaya Baby League arjar khat khandai haga jingyalang kabala long State Convention Center Shillong haga balai don langru Myntri jongatnat yelakai sport uba bantai dor lengdo ke Deputy Commissioner jonga East Khasi Hills ikong mat seudor war nongbri baru President jonga Meghalaya Football Association uba Larsing M Sawin. Konrad Sangma haba ai kublai ya ka Meghalaya Football Association ula yaro yo sinyang ubenhei baka association kalala ban play lat ya ki hebrit jong Jylla bakin mi syakmat ban ya shimenta hakane ka lempung ai jinghikai khnang ban sandor ya ka jingim jongki haka kamila kai football nadu baki dangrit karta Shuagani Myntri Rangbah ula play Paidbah ya ka Baby League trophy but play Paidbah ru ya ka website jong Meghalaya Football Association.
And this is where the latest updates of the Baby League will be found out here. As you can see, the latest photos are up. And also you'll be getting more detailed information about the Meghalaya Football Association. And also we have different categories of there. We will have the grassroots development, all about grassroots development, all about youth development, senior. And we will not forget about the women's football. And also, as you can see, the latest match of the Baby League is already up. The first match, the countdown is down. We will be having it tomorrow. Between Shillong Lajong Coyotes against Titan Otters tomorrow. We invite everyone there as well.
It is my honor and my duty. The government of Meghalaya, they have taken initiative to promote sports in our state as well in football. Football, I'll tell you, it's already in my blood from my young age. And football, it's already in our blood of our Meghalaya. I remember when I started playing football. The quality, the facility, what we get now, it's a vast different. Compared to those days, when I started playing football, to participate, to take part of under 16 football, that football organized by the Sengsamla Jylla Snake, Catch Them Young. We call Catch Them Young. And it's very, very popular in all over the state. And so many football players has been produced from that under 16. And this is the right platform again, I must say. This is the best platform to tap and to promote the football from our young age. We have taken into consideration to promote football in our state by starting the Meghalaya State League again this year. By starting the Meghalaya State League again this year, which already been sanctioned by the government of Meghalaya, thanks to Honorable Chief Minister for sanction of the Meghalaya State League. On top of that, simultaneously will start the under 15 Meghalaya State League. Therefore, I hope and I believe by this starting of Meghalaya Baby League again, it's not only in the East Khasi, but this year, what President of Meghalaya Football Association have been mentioned, have been stated, it will reach to the rural area also of the state, and especially in Garo Hillside. That is, I would like to thank the Meghalaya Football Association because they have seen also in other part of the state to promote football.
This is most probably the biggest baby league that we have in the whole country. So I think the Meghalaya Football Association, the President, the CEO, and all the members who are part of this organizing this baby league, I think first of all I congratulate you, and I think you all deserve a big round of applause. Before coming out here to speak and to be part of this program, I was just speaking to my colleague, our sports minister, and I was telling him that we always have this chief minister's 11 versus the others. It's a football match that the chief minister's 11. We sometimes have it with the press, sometimes with bureaucracy, sometimes with different organizations. So he was saying, how about having the match with the baby league also? So I told him, I think it's a bad idea. I said, because it will be very embarrassing if you lose to them. So that is the kind of talent I think our children have. You saw the kind of videos that were there from last year. You saw the kind of talent that these children have. And I'm totally in line with what the president of the Meghalaya Football Association and the CEO have been mentioning time and again, that it is so important that we instill the kind of reflexes and the kind of, the talent and the skill that's required, and allow it to come out at that age, so that it becomes a natural response, That is what this whole idea is about. And I truly believe that that's how it is. And, it's true in everything that one does. And I think that age, we all know, is the age when the child's brain is developing in one sense. The child's reflexes are developing. The child's talents and what kind of, skills that the person will have, the kid will have as they grow up. All these aspects really are developing at that age. And early learning, is something that is now being practiced throughout the world. It's not just about sports, it's about the overall child's development I'm talking. So therefore it's a perfect way to ensure that we as a state and the talented youth that we have get the opportunity and the necessary guidance that they require to be possible football stars, not just at national but at international level. And it just doesn't end out there. You see, I was talking to the president of the association. It's also about team spirit. At a very young age, you start to work as a team. They start to value what team is all about. They start to learn that we need to work together. These are additional values that come out when you start instilling the sportsmanship spirit into the children. They learn about discipline in life. Discipline is so important in anything that you do in life. It's not just sports. I keep telling all my friends that as politicians, the first thing we should learn to be disciplined is the timing. We are very, very notorious when it comes to being on time. And it's a very bad thing, I feel. And I always encourage and always tell my team and my officials also that we should ensure that we respect the time of others. We should always be on time. Of course, I was 10 minutes late today, but normally I'm not. But discipline is important in life. And I think this baby league is going to add all those aspects of discipline into children. About being a sports person, about knowing that life is about winning sometimes and losing sometimes. I think these are things that the child will start to learn at a young age. So it's not just about football. It's about really a holistic development of a child. And I think we must realize that sports does that to our children. It does that to us. And that is why this baby league is much more than just football. And I encourage other associations to also follow the footsteps of Meghalaya Football Association in really trying to instill this kind of qualities in our children at a young age. And it's not that they will start, distracting their mind from studies, the books, as we say. I don't think so. I think it's a holistic development, and it will allow the child's mind, brain, and overall physical development to be much better. It's about fitness also at the end of the day. So I think it's a great initiative being taken, and as I said, I encourage all the other associations also in other sports that I think we need to start pushing in that line. Having said that, I would like to thank Tata Trust also for the kind of support that they have given right when it was needed the most. And being a partner for a cause like this really means a lot. And I think your support is being really appreciated by the Meghalaya Football Association, and that can clearly be seen because they made you a member of the sports minister's team. So they are also appreciating you for that, for all the support that you're giving, and I hope that your support will continue in the future, and it will not just be restricted to football, but we'll be able to see other areas where your organization and our people and our state and the government can work together.